Opening the Grid Connect app lands you on the home screen.
This is the dashboard offering you quick access to various sections of the app.
Scenes and automation are how you activate a number of different products at the same time. Creating a scene lets you trigger multiple devices. Automation uses specific conditions to trigger a scene. It happens without user interaction. To set up an automated scene, tap the Add icon on the Scene section of the dashboard. Select Automation and enter the scene name. For the first condition, tap Add Condition. If you didn't enter your specific location during the setup process, you need to do so now. This allows Grid Connect to access a range of local data. You can choose to have a certain temperature as the trigger, or the level of humidity. General weather, if it's sunny, cloudy, rainy. Grid Connect will also source sunrise and sunset information to trigger air conditioning and window coverings, for example. Scheduling gives you the option of automating 7 individual days, or you can break it down to weekdays and weekends. Device will cause one smart device to trigger based on the status change of another device. You can set multiple conditions and choose if all or any of the conditions must be met to trigger the scene by touching to the left of the Add icon. Now that the automation conditions have been set, you will need to tell the app what devices should be involved and what actions they should take. Select the Add icon on the right of the Execute the following actions section. When creating actions, you need to select each product you want to be involved and how they will be involved. The options available to you will depend on the individual product's functionality. In order to quickly find your products, you can scroll through the different rooms. Finally, you can add specific time periods for the automation to occur. Tap Next, then Save, and you're good to go. If you'd like to stop the scene from being activated, tap the menu icon on the dashboard, choose Scenes and Automation, then on the Automation tab, you can toggle the switch and it dims to show you it's disabled. Now your home smart home is saving you time, so you can concentrate on more important things.